How to check old chats in Snapchat. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Snapchat application. But you have to remember that only the chats that have been saved will be available for you to view. If you have not saved any chats, the chat will be disappeared in 24 hours. This is the feature of Snapchat and you cannot change it currently. However, you can change it from disappear after seeing to disappear after 24 hours for better availability. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.